Hello, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making a pineapple cheesecake. So we're going to begin with the crust. I'm going to make a cookie crust. So we're going to begin with 1 cup of margarine, half a cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Mix those together. And I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Okay, so while our base is baking, we'll start with our cream cheese mix. I'm going to use 1.5 blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of icing sugar, and we're just going to whip that together. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to make my whipped cream. I'm just going to use 2 packages of dreamy. 1 cup of milk. So once it starts to form stiff peaks, we're done. Okay, so now I'm going to add my whipped cream to my cream cheese mixture. Just going to blend them together. Okay, our cookie crust has cooled. Now I'm going to add our cream cheese mixture. And I had some frozen pineapple. I'm just going to throw it all on top here. And I've also got some frozen blueberries. I'm just going to wrap, put in plastic, refrigerate at least a couple hours before I cut into it. This will make a nice dessert for summer.